I am Aman from IIT Dharwad.
And the problem we are addressing is that people on wheelchair often face difficulties in transferring themselves from their wheelchair to a toilet seat, a bed or a car.
Our solution to this problem is a transfer stool that assists this motion. The wheelchair user slides a bit to the front. She then pulls out the stool, which is kept securely underneath the wheelchair. She slides from the wheelchair to the stool. She clamps the stool from one of the footrests and swivels around it. To adjust the stool seat vertically with the target seat, she adjusts the height as well as the orientation of the stool seat. She locks the wheels of the stool and slides back to the target seat to complete the transition. A reverse mechanism can be followed while transitioning back from the target seat back to the wheelchair.
As you can see, these are the 4 images of a real paraplegic patient using our transfer stool. He completed the transfer from his wheelchair to bed without any aid of any person. Our solution fits with any wheelchair. It's completely out of the way, hidden under the wheelchair.
And most importantly, it allows a wheelchair user to self-transfer. Let's make people more independent.